So today what I want to do is talk about one of the survival mistakes I made 30 years ago and what the repercussions of that was and the possibilities that were not realized. Now, the crux of this issue comes down to the point, if you are a prepper, a homesteader, or a survivalist, and you have $3,000, are you better off buying a used tractor, or are you better off buying an AR-15? Now, this comes down to what are you really trying to accomplish? And the fact that I have never seen a survival or prepping channel ever tell you to buy a tractor. Now, this investment becomes more critical as you get older and your group gets bigger. The amount of work you can do, the amount of food you can grow, the amount of things you can build, the stuff you can haul, the work you can do, it just eclipses anything you can imagine. When I was younger, we didn't have the money for a tractor, so I was actually in my 30s before I started using a tractor. And this is the best force multiplier you can get, period. I don't care if you live in a subdivision, I don't care if you live in the country or the city. Once you're in a survival situation, just moving things, doing work, and any survival tractor should have a front end loader on it, and you will want to add a backhoe, post hole diggers. These are things that will save you time and heartache. I have drilled and set over 100 fence posts in a day with this old tractor versus hand digging them when I was young, where I might get 10 a day in. Now, this tractor is very fuel efficient. So when you're looking at them, you don't want a giant tractor, you want an efficient tractor. Because if you think about it, if you have 200 gallons of diesel fuel stored, you can build a tremendous amount of structures for people to live in, for animals, for storing material. You can build fortifications, you can build roads, you can haul wood, you can do all kinds of things. And the last thing I want to add is, in all the refugee columns I've ever seen in person and on the news, what was one of the prime vehicles people were using? They were using a tractor with a large wagon. So please comment, rate, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.